Here we are at Arnold's Way, and we are doing a food prep class tomorrow on Sunday. You're trying to transition to a healthier lifestyle. You want to learn how to begin. Come to this class, it's just for you. We're going to be doing 4 sessions of it. It's going to be $30, 4 sessions, and out of all those 4 sessions, it's $80. You buy 4, $80 up. So the dates are tomorrow, January 12th, 6:30 to 8:30, January 25th, 6:30, all classes at 6:30, and they all start at 8:30. January 12th, January 25th, February 1st, and the 9th. So send your emails and brochures to arnoldsway.com or call the store, and we'd be happy to have you in. Learn some few things, take some trips to help your health get to the next level. We also have raw vegan potluck. It's a buffet that's going to be on Saturday at 6:30, $12. All you can eat. The speaker will be Connie
Guerin.
Connie Guerin.
Who also had breast cancer.
She had breast cancer and she healed herself.
Story, yeah.
She healed
She's
herself.
on the board. You see her on the board?
She healed herself from breast cancer by changing her lifestyle to a plant-based raw vegan lifestyle. And we also have a paint workshop that's hosted by Annie McCourt-Makaron, and that's going to be on Tuesday at 6 p.m. You know, you want to tip our artists too, because we're going to bring you a unique perspective of some art. Here's the artwork right here. Thursdays as well. Every Thursday we got the one who's recording this right here, Big Bodhi, Bodhisattva. He's having his meditation every Thursday, so we're going to come learn how to breathe, learn different techniques to get the spirit in your body, which is the prana. You know, we want to take some nice deep breaths so we can have nice deep thoughts and have a nice deep life. No more shallow stuff. We getting deep, we diving deep once again. Can I get a hello there? Shout out to Ralph Smart. Another thing, Arnold is also working on, how much is that, Arnold? What you trying to do?
20 million trees saving.
We're gonna be saving 20 million trees by converting people to a plant-based lifestyle. So you wanna help save the earth, you wanna help save yourself and everybody here, transition to a plant-based lifestyle, because what that's gonna do, that's gonna save about, let me see, what did that save? Each day a vegan saves about 30 square feet of trees by becoming vegan. 300 square feet of trees by becoming vegan. I forget, it's not on here, but we trying to save the trees, because the trees are the lungs to the earth. You don't want to keep burning it down. As you see things happening in California and Australia, all the trees and animals, it's just ridiculous. So we got to treat the earth better, because if we don't treat the earth better, we're going to burn ourselves out of our natural habitat. So that's what's up. Convert to that raw vegan plant-based lifestyle, and everything changes. It has to change. Your body, your mind, everything around you just changes, and that's the only thing consistent in life is change. So change. Send the wholeness and balance vibration to everybody who's receiving this message. And here we are again at Arnold's Way, the raw vegan capital of the world. This is supreme. You are supreme. I love myself, supreme being. Just do great, do your best, and we out.